Okay, so today we will test a new workflow for ComfyUI. So we will create this kind of video. The input is our static image and also our songs, and then the final result we will have our characters do a lip sync with the songs that we input, and here is the result on the right side. So for this workflow, we are using a note or tutorial from Baku. So shout out to Baku. And then you guys can go to his note. I will provide it on the description. And for this tutorial, we need two custom note. So the first one, we need float to do the lip syncs for the video, and then we need another one, video helper suit. So this is for inputting or loading the audio and also for combining the video. So to get the custom note, after you install or you start your ComfyUI, you need to go to manager and then go to custom notes, and then you can search for ComfyUI video helper suite and also ComfyUI float and install both of this, and then you can restart your ComfyUI, and then you can import the workflow. The workflow is also included on this note from Baku. Yeah, you can download this one. He also provide the input image and the audio sample. So inside the zip file is like this. So you get the vocal only song, the full songs with vocal and the instrumental, and then the input image and also the workflow. So what you need to do with this file, for the workflow you can just drag and drop it, so the ComfyUI will load your workflow. And then for the input image, you can put it on the load image. For the vocal, load it on the left bottom side, and then for the full songs or the songs with vocal and instrument, you can upload it on the upper side on here. And if you want to do it with your own music, and you will need to separate the vocal from your music. And then how you do that, if you want to do it on your local machine, you can install Ultimate Vocal Remover, and then you can input your song on the input side and then select the output folder. And for the model to separate the vocals from the music, I use Skim Vocal 2, and you can also download it by clicking the settings, download centers, MDX, and just scroll down and you will find Kim Vocal 2 around here, and then you can click download, and after you download it, you can choose Kim Vocal 2 from here. And for the other setting, I just check the GPU conversion and vocals only, and then for the format I choose MP3. And after that, you will have your own audio, your own music with vocal only without the instrument, and you can input it on this load audio nodes and the full music that includes the vocals and instrument on the upper side. And then on my machine I use RTX 5080, and for the rendering time, so in here as you can see, for the audio I only do lip sync for the first 60 seconds of the audio. So if you change the start time and duration in here, you need to also change on the notes on the upper side. And I do for 60 seconds of my music. And for the inference time, as you can see here it executed in about 40 seconds with my 5080. Yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please leave like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you.